Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman with How To Video Channel here. Today I'm going to show you how to take cheap, harsh vodka and turn it into some really smooth, top shelf vodka. And it's really very simple. What you need is a Brita water purifier. Link will be in the description below. Now, you need the filters, obviously, as well as the pitcher. And so here I've got a filter inside. This is just a standard Brita filter. You could get a premium filter if you want, but they're more money, so you don't really need that. Just grab the standard filter. Then, of course, you're going to need some cheap vodka. So we've got some vodka here, and like I said, it's so simple. You simply pour the vodka into the pitcher. Let's be a little smarter here. All right, so pour that in there, and then it is going to run through the pitcher. Now, this process of dripping in is going to take about 5, maybe 10 minutes. So we're going to let that sit for right now and come back when it is done. All right, so it has been about 10 minutes, and that amount of vodka has gone through the filter. So if you want, you can just drink it now, but I would really recommend you run it through the filter about 3 times. So we're going to get a funnel here and then hold the filter in. We're going to pour this right into there. You can see all our purified vodka is going back into the bottle. And then now we are going to filter it another time. So here we go. And that is it. Simply repeat this step 3 times and you will have really nice top shelf quality vodka. Of course, if the type of vodka you got is harsher than normal, like if it's an Epic vodka or I don't like New Amsterdam, you can get any of that kind of stuff. You might want to run it through the filter several more times. The more times you run it through the filter, the more smooth the vodka will become. So 3 to 5 times is a great magic number. And of course, once you do this, be very careful when you are drinking it because you will not know that you are drinking alcohol. It will literally be like you're drinking water, and then eventually you will feel the effects. So of course, be responsible with any and all of that. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Also, I really hope you liked this video. I hope it helped you out a lot. Please comment below with your favorite brand of vodka and also how it worked for you. How many times did you filter it through? Do you have a different type of filter, etc.? Please comment below. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.